Hello, ako rin si Alem Garcia, Queen of the Kitty Cat Cats. Mga pamukaila. Naku, sa pamamutis kalibutan! LAYSHO ka, de! So karon, tudlo at mo unsa.
Ma, you're so annoying, Jod. I hate you. I don't want to go to Abuelita's party lagi. I have to go lagi to the party at Complex. They're all there na. It's so ulaw if I don't go.
Sarah, you are my daughter and you should do what I say.
No, Jod. I have my own life na, Ma.
You think you can survive without me?
Yeah, Yaya taught me to ride a jeep.
Well then from now on you ride a jeep everywhere. You cut off from everything.
Sa may saba diri oy Sarah!
Oh my gosh. I think my mom just disowned me.
Di wa ko'y labutan ni drama-drama ka diri nag-shoot ko direct tarong day nang ibuhi ko diri kay inflation na day.
Wait
Saba.
lang, wait lang. Oh my God, Lam. Oh my God. I don't know what to do. Oh my God.
Naunsa na di ka?
No, man, good, because she's... She cut me off.
Cut off? So you mean you are...
Do not say that word around me, ha? That is not gonna happen, ha?
Day! Swerte ka day, mega ta day. Friends, kintahay. Because I will be your Skwaa Godmother!
That's so scary.
Step 1. Of course, day, kung skwaa ka, kailangan hanas ka mo sakay og jeep. Nya kailangan ibaw taas ang mga rota sa jeep around the city para di ka mawa. Nya ang pinaka-importante, di kailangan master ka mo lingkod nga half-frame mo lubot sa lingkuran sa jeep kang pasakay pa na sila bisan unsa diri day. Maglago kun mga konduktora dayo sa bawo, sira ka mo makadira.
Alam, it's so hot here. Can't we just take a grab?
Day, wala tay kwarta day. Musakay magay ko diri day nga gwapa wag layo sure nagkuri ko pakangawa na suki kwarta day. Ay reklamo dira day kis ganda taron day.
Abe, baliw ka be, sige be, baliw.
Sabahan mo kuya, wala likuran na diri ka leche pa. Saba!
Mulagot ko.
Sama ka day. Step 2. Instead of eating out.
Oh my God! I am so hungry. Can we eat an abaka?
Or nagali ka day, magsigig mo kagpalit mga pagkaon ng mga mahalon day. Day, since poor na ka day, parehas ka na ko din mga squad day kailangan tabaw ka mo. Himo sa imong own food. And kaya para makita ka sa value sa kanang pag-grocery ka para makapalit ka ng mga di kay mahalon yung mga pagkaon day. Kay poor na rabata ron day. Apili ka sa mong komunidad ron day.
Fine. Okay. Broccoli? Is this expensive? When did broccoli get this expensive?
Mahangging sili day, kanapaka day. Hashtag inflation!
Imong upping inflation.
Imo lawas o kailang inflation!
Oh, you're supposed to comfort me. I'm sad, Baya. How am I supposed to pay for all of this?
Halay, balik mo lawas day! Alam di marbaho ka dapat day! Step 3! Of course day, kung skwaa ka day, di sa kaganahan mas skwaa forever. Lisod sad no, muna manarbaho ka because that is the key to social mobility! Muna Sarah, let's go to sa Teletech Trabaho Fest!
Huh? What's that?
That is a job fair by Teletech! So dira, ora-ora ta mga apply ka, nya kung madawat dayon ka dayo, di ba? You can take control of your life, of your money, of the boys, and all the world, run the world by Beyonce. Right, Sar?
Hello, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Mommy, I'm so sorry, Mommy. Yes, Mommy, I love you so much, Mommy. I'll listen to everything you say, Mommy, okay? Sige, Mommy, I'll meet you in a while. Okay, love you. Alam, I'll go home na ha. Mommy's not mad at me na. And I said sorry na. And she's returning my allowance na. And okay, I'll go. Manang sir to pick me up. You can take the jeep home, right? Okay, bye-bye.
You can take a home. Ay, kabaw na ko! Ikaw na lang akong hanggatan para mato sa Teletech Trabaho Fest! LAYSHO kayo sila sa Teletech. Kay, ando na sila eh. Competitive pay. On-time pay with no discrepancies. And benefits and life insurance. Medical, optical, and dental. Fun. Tuition-free reimbursement. Discounted rates at various fitness centers and gyms. Fun work environment. Yay! Plastikan. Opportunities for growth within the company. All hires this September will get 500 pesos worth of electronic gift certificates on their first day of training, and a chance to win 1 out of 2 SM gift passes worth 10,000. Oh my God! At Taugma, September 28, 2018, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. sa Teletech E-Block 2, ID Park. Free snacks to all the applicants. So just in case di ka madawat, at least sa kay pagkaon, consolation prize. Fun games and exciting prizes, of course. Ganahan di ka magduwa rata. Freebies for everyone. O diba? Hamon ka freebies na Skwaa ba ka dahil? Meet and greet with the queen of the kitty cat cats, yours truly, Alem Garcia, and with Cebuana YouTuber, Chinkitita. Hashtag Experience Teletech! Gamita ha sa inyong pag-share, sa pag-comment day ha, kay para suduan kong dako sa Teletech day ha. Sponsored as Uka! And sa imong pang-apply sa Teletech, ando na kay free food, freebies, ug unsa pa na dira o asa pa ka mga apply day. Apply na dayon day, ayaw kalimot sa imong auto o sa imong resume kay day. Di ni picnic, mga inabuhi ta. I know kaya kayo na nimo, and I wish you all the best in life sa imong pang-apply. Keep climbing!